Good morning, students. Hope you guys are doing well. Again, I want to apologize for not being able to come the next few days, but we must continue learning. So, for the next few days, I will give the subs guided notes. So he or she will hand the sub will hand the notes out to you guys, and I want you to glue it in your notebook and then watch the video and copy the notes in your notebook. So everything I write, I want you to copy down. After you copy the notes, I want you to try your best to do the homework. If you can't, please ask a sub for help. Ask Mr. Jeffrey for help. Ask Mr. Jojo, Mr. Omar, or Blanca, or ask your friends for help. You can also message me on Schoology too, and I will try to help you whenever I have the free time and whenever I'm not in the training. So with that being said, let's get into the lesson. So again, please glue this into your notebook and copy the notes down. Today we are going to be talking about order of operation. This is our first day talking about this. We will spend 3 to 4 days on order of operations. And order of operation has these letters in there. So P, E, M, D, A, S, and it's read PAMDAS. One more time, it's read PAMDAS. Today we will be looking at just the M, the D, the A, and the S. So you might be thinking, what is order of operation? It might be a new word for you. So if it is, please repeat after me. Order of operation. And all that means is it is just the rule, and that rule is the PAMDAS. PEMDAS. So it's the rule you follow when you solve a numerical expression or when you solve a equation. So for example, if you see an equation that looks like this, 2 to the third power minus 26, close your parentheses, divided by 8 times 4 plus 9. How are we going to solve this, or where do we even start? And when we use PAMDAS, when we use this rule right here, this rule will tell us where to start and how to solve an equation that looks like this. Alright, so let's start. The P in PAMDAS stands for parentheses. So let me spell that. PARENTHESE. And the parentheses, remember, are those bracket that looks like this in an equation. Alright, let's go down to the E. We'll talk about the right side a little later. Right now, let's just look at the math side for right now. So the E stands for exponent, and it's spelled EXPONENT. And the exponent, if you remember, it is that small number on top of the base. So for example, if we have a 3 to the x, our x here is our exponent. Before I keep on going, I forgot to remind you, but if you think I'm going too fast, please pause the video and then copy the notes and then press play again. And if you still think I'm going fast, you want to rewind. So rewind, go back a little bit, and then press play and then copy the notes again. And I hope this will help you. Alright, so let's go down to the M. The M stands for multiplication. multiplication. And multiplication just means times. We're going to times. And the D right here stands for division. D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N, division. So that is the division sign. Alright, let's continue going down. We'll go to the A and the S, and then we'll come back up and I'll explain what all this means. Alright, the A here stands for addition. It's spelled A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N. And the S stands for subtraction. S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. So addition and subtraction. Alright, so I'm going to slide this back up just a little bit so we can see the whole thing. So this whole thing here, PEMDAS, again, that is pronounced PEMDAS. And this right here is the rule of how to solve equation that looks like this. So when we first start, P is parentheses. This would be step 1. So whenever you see the parentheses, you're going to start with everything inside the parentheses. You're going to add or subtract or multiply everything in the parentheses before you move on. After you finish the parentheses, you will go down to the E. If you find any exponent, you want to finish the exponent before you move on. So again, step 1, look at the parentheses and so everything inside. Step 2, check all your exponent, solve all your exponent first, and then you can move on to this next step. Is very important. Multiplication or division, they both come together. They both are equal, and you want to look at from the left side to the right side. So your equation, for example, if we go back up here, if you look at it, we have division here, and then we have multiplication right here. So when you look from the left side, so right here, and you keep on going from the left to the right, oh, we see division first. So here we will do division before we do multiplication. So let's go down. We have addition or subtraction. This works the same way like multiplication or division. You start from the left side and then you go to the right side. So let's see, we have that up here as well too. Here we only have one addition here, but the subtraction is inside the parentheses. But let's say we have one addition here, and let's say this was subtraction. If we look from the left to the right, and if this was a subtraction, we'll do this before we go to the addition. And we'll do some examples in a little bit here just so you can see it and see how it works. On the right side, how to remember this. PEMDAS is one thing that you will use a lot to help you solve equation. So there are many ways to remember how to use PEMDAS. So all you really need to remember is P-E-M-D-A-S. And one way to remember that is the P, we can say please, P-L-E-A-S-E, please. The E will represent excuse, E-X-C-U-S-E, excuse. The M will stand for my. The D will stand for dope, D-O-P-E. The A will stand for awesome, A-W-E-S-O-M-E. And S will stand for swag, W-A-G. So please, excuse, my dope, awesome, swag. So P-E-M-D-A-S. That's what you need to remember. to help you solve equation using PEMDAS. Alright, let's go down to some examples and see if this will help you understand how to use PEMDAS. Alright, example 1. Let me do this with you guys, and I'll have you guys try example 2. So let's say we have 18 divided by 3 plus 7. First thing you do, you look at PEMDAS. Do we have the P, the parentheses, in here? No, we have no parentheses. Look at the E, step number 2. Do we have any exponent up here? No, we don't. Can go to the next step. M or D. Do we have multiplication or division? We look from the left to the right. Oh, we have division right here. So we had to do that before we go to the A or the S. So 18 divided by 3 gives 6. So 6 plus 7. And now we can go to the last step. Since we have no more multiplication or division, we do have addition or subtraction. So 6 plus 7 equals 13. And that is our answer. Alright, let's have you try example 2. 10 times 2 minus 8. So pause the video for a minute, try it, and then come back and check your answer with mine. Alright, welcome back. Hopefully you tried it. So let's try this. We look at P for parentheses. Oh, we have no parentheses here. Go to the next step, step 2. E for exponent. Oh, we have no exponent up here either. Next one, multiplication or division. From the left to the right we go. Oh, we do have multiplication right here. So 10 times 2 is 20 minus 8. And check again, do we have any more multiplication or division? Oh, no we don't. But we do have addition or subtraction. So 20 take away 8 is 12. And that will be your answer. Alright, example 3. You might be thinking, oh, this is easy. Let's get to something a little bit harder. So let's say we have 36 minus 2 times 6 divided by 3. So first we'll look at the P. Is there any parentheses? Oh, look, no. Oh, no parentheses. Check exponent. Nope, no exponent. Do we have multiplication or division from left to right? So from the left, you look. Oh, we do have multiplication right here. So let's do that first. Since this comes before the division, we are going to do this first. Not because the M is before the D, but because this came first from the left to the right. Alright? So 2 times 6 is 12. Copy the rest down. 36, take away 12, divided by 3. Look again. Do we have multiplication or division? Oh, look, we have division right here. Let's finish that before we go to the next piece. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. Copy the rest down. 36, take away 12. And then 36, take away 4 is 32. And 32 is your answer. Alright, so let me give you one to try, and then I want you to pause the video, try it out, and then come back and check your answer with mine. So 4 minus 12 divided by 4 times 2. Pause the video, try it out, and then come back and check your answer. Alright, welcome back. So let's check your answer with mine. The P. Let's see if there's any parentheses. No parentheses. Check if there's any exponent. Nope, no exponent here, or here, or here. Next, let's see if there's any multiplication or division from the left to the right. Start from the left, keep on going. Oh, there is division. And it comes before multiplication, so I am going to do 12 divided by 4 first. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. And then we can copy the rest of this down. 4 take away 3 times 2. Continue to scan and look. Is there any more multiplication or division? Oh, right here, there is multiplication. So do 3 times 2 is 6. Copy the rest of this down. 4 take away 6 is a -2. And that is our answer. So hopefully you got -2 as your answer. Again, I want you to try your best on this homework. If you need help, please ask a sub, ask Jojo, ask Jeffrey, ask Miss Blanca, ask Mr. Omar, or message me on Schoology, and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next lesson, and then I'll come back to school on Thursday. Have a great day. Bye-bye.